Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your OnePlus 11. So there is two ways on this device. First one is by the Google Lens, so we have to open the Google Photos app, click allow and decide that you want to get a notification. After that, just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and just click on the Google Lens icon. And now Google Lens looking automatically for the same or similar photo. You can choose an area to search, of course you can expand it, like this one. And how you can see that we have a similar photos. That was the first method. The second way, if your Google Lens doesn't work or you just you don't want to use the Google Lens, you can also try to do it by the web browser. So in the web browser you have to go to the google.com, and it's very important step now, and it's necessary. Click here on this three-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now just click here on this small camera icon and tap upload a file. Add the permissions to the photos and choose a photo like before. And now we are looking for the same image or the similar one, like here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.